In a land where history rises from stone and beauty streets far ahead of heroism, Afghanistan, a country which has passed 2 decades of war and conflict, is opening now a new chapter. A chapter which invites the world to see it with fresh eyes. Visiting of Afghanistan's potential is quietly emerging from ancient cities to historic village with breathtaking nature landscape. This country once again capturing the curiosity of travelers who seek for authenticity and adventure. In a country known for its timeless beauty and ancient culture, a new story is taking shape. A story that is bringing Afghanistan back into the map for travels from around the world. After years of challenges, this nation is embracing a fresh chapter, one that defined by stability, hospitality, and growing interest in its remarkable heritage. Today, foreign visitors are once again exploring Afghanistan's most iconic destination, the Blue Lake of Bamyan, the ancient mountain of Ghazni, the spiritual landscape of Balkh, and the untouched forest of Nuristan. Their journeys reflect a global curiosity to experience a land rich in culture.
My name's Ellen, and I'm from the United States, currently in North Carolina. I think so. I felt very safe the whole time. Everyone's been very helpful and really nice, and I have not felt unsafe once. I think because they see that I'm not from here, they're actually they're really nice to each other, but everyone's been so nice to me and welcoming, even if I'm just a stranger. Everyone's been really nice, and I don't feel like I'm being treated differently. I feel like I've been treated like a guest by people that I don't even know. It's been really nice. Come to Afghanistan. It's beautiful, and everyone is so nice, and you get to see and meet all types of people and beautiful places.
According to recent statistics, nearly 200 foreign tourists visited historical sites in just 1 month, and more than 2,400 entries and exits were recorded during this period. These numbers show that Afghanistan is steadily gaining the attention of adventurous travelers seeking authenticity and discovery. This improves that security has become one of the strongest reasons for visitors to choose Afghanistan today. Visitors are welcomed with kindness and respect. The government has made the process simple. Tourist visas are quick and easy to obtain, and flights from major transit hubs operate several times a week. Hotels, restaurants, and transport service are expanding. While the industry is still developing, every year bring more facility, more guides, and more hospitality centers ready to serve international guests.
After reordering the Islamic Emira in Afghanistan from 2021 up to today, we have the lot number of tourists. They are coming to Afghanistan. We have a few, clear reason for that. From a good security situation, up to the costless tourist, and up to the very, very natural situation of Afghanistan. And also our long history. Okay, we have around 5,000 history background. These reasons, stand together and made this situation. The number of tourists, become increased with us. There was no facilities for them because we didn't have the tourists in Afghanistan before the Islamic Emira. The last years of fights, because the situation was not normal. After that, we start from the visa facilities up to the translator, up to the transportation, and also guide for the tourist guide, and also building the hotels, the standard hotels, develop this area to have the good facilities for the tourists. If they want to face with the kindness people of Afghanistan, they have to come here in a very good security situation. They can come to Afghanistan. We will provide the situation for them without any tension. They can have a good trip in our country.
Afghanistan is positioning itself as one of the world's most unique travel destinations, a place where history, adventure, and culture come together in a way found nowhere else.